Today we're going to talk about gifts that you can make in a jar, and this can be for any occasion: birthday, Christmas, baby gift, whatever. You can decorate your jar to suit any occasion. And today we're going to make pumpkin bread mix, and the items you will need are at least 1 quart mason jar, wide mouth or the small mouth, with a ring and a lid. You will need 3 cups of some type of baking mix: Bisquick, Pioneer, Jiffy, whatever you have on hand. You'll need a 1/2 cup of white sugar, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice mix, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. You also may need a funnel to just help you get the items in the jar without a lot of spillage. The first thing I'm going to do is to place the 3 cups of the baking mix in the jar. I have all of the baking mix in the jar now, so I'm going to use a long-handled spoon and just tamp that mix down in the jar really well so all the ingredients will fit. After you have the baking mix in the jar, you are going to add the brown sugar and then the white sugar in that order. As you can see, the brown sugar is packed, so I'm using the back of the spoon or the bottom of the spoon handle to help get that through the funnel and into the jar. And then I'm going to tamp down the brown sugar. I have added the brown sugar, the white sugar, and all of the spices, and just used a spoon to kind of spread all that out and tamp it down so that it looks nice. And the next thing we're going to do is add our ring and our lid and whatever decoration we are going to use. So to finish up the presentation of your gift, you can add the jar lid and then possibly a piece of fabric. I had some fall fabric that I used, and I used the large ring to just trace around that because I wanted a little bit hanging over. You don't have to have that. You can just use the small ring and just trace it and cut that out. And then place the fabric over the lid and then place your ring on. And then I just added a piece of twine, or you can add ribbon if you have some, or raffia, just to make it look nice. I did add the ingredients that is needed to finish up the bread, which is written on the tag. It's 1 can of pumpkin, 2 eggs, and a cup of nuts if you would like. Those are optional. And you can either put the entire recipe with the gift or just what the person needs to add to complete it. And that's it. Now we have a pumpkin bread gift that we can give away.